Okay, FM 101.7.
But it still doesn't take away the fact that watumra. Would you say watumra?
Oh, Abe. What's a cutting na married? I'm not interrupting. And I make us see no such lesson. And I make us say the Abufra air bonnet, not a penny would not can. Penny him near as a papa. It was a catabitino. How much him I back? Then we say Yami and a yes bonnet. Hey, Yami, no, and yet, but Miss Michael, agree somebody posting you say, Name say, listen, sir, I collect your we are telling mammy, it's not we are to know more of pulling mammy no matter what, because mothers we suffer. It's no couple of friends, your children have been seen to tell me, so, oh, okay, the papa say, yeah, and yet, a yampa.
Mr. Bright, quick wapia. From her submission, to say she has shown remorse. Say now nim wanyeni. She has explained the emotions behind the picture, the story behind the picture. Will you discontinue the case and as still police, and pursue to its logical conclusion as you stated earlier?
Abeku, Ushe Wina, Senior Mecano. I read his statement now or the car story, and it was very touchy. And I'm like, well, if you're able to get to this level to take care of your opa, so what at all will make you behave the way that you did? And apart from say emotions, it's also a matter of law. Now that aspect, is what we are considering. So if Sene Oba na Sebia or Bepacho say for that matter, people will not use it as a way of also publishing this kind of nyama where the right of children will be respected. I think why not? We would consider it, but as it is, after the Ashas here, we have petitioned the Director General, and for the indications that I'm getting right now, no question. So my inviting Umbra hot 10 a.m. tomorrow. So if she's saying so, mom friend it's another matter altogether. And these are things that
Polo,
speak to the fact
Papa na de wa koma police for. Enti me pese Bible mo se se oni obi nya asem a monka na nkopie wo court. Enti nka me pese ye hwe na ye solve asem no. Ene ye pon kura metumi afre papa no na dwanto bia me de ama no. Osi police for se ochina 10 o'clock bra ho. Wonya ntia na wonya.
Yeah, make it play. Because of my birthday, I'm not in the right distance, but the and so it may be some say there. Police are fair inviting me because I only say me don't invite you be in me the Casas here. And I will say to me a plane because my brother first in Sierra. It is a very serious. I'm not gonna make a video that was hey police, who in America? Hey police for inviting you. It's in the because of the bunny birthday, it's my voice, and then I'm a single mother. And I may have
Moya party biana.
Oh, we're partying for some mammy banana because a German corner manage for we are.
Now, I dear Nije no preview because any man you know our hair.
Oh, there you are.
Okay, FM 101.7.